Welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to unveil the incredible health benefits of grapeseed oil. Listen closely as we reveal the power of this natural wonder. Benefit 1. Grapeseed oil is packed with antioxidants, helping to combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefit 2. It supports a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. Benefit 3. Did you know that grapeseed oil can enhance your skin's appearance? Its high vitamin E content promotes youthful-looking skin and helps to reduce signs of aging. Benefit 4. Grapeseed oil is an excellent source of omega-6 fatty acids, which play a vital role in brain function and development. Benefit 5. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, grapeseed oil can be your ally. It helps boost metabolism and supports fat-burning processes. Benefit 6. This oil packs a punch with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for those struggling with joint pain or arthritis. Benefit 7. Grapeseed oil promotes healthy hair growth and nourishes the scalp, leaving your locks shiny and lustrous. Benefit 8. It can even improve vision. The antioxidants found in grapeseed oil help to prevent cataracts and maintain good eye health. Benefit 9. Say goodbye to dull and brittle nails. Grapeseed oil can strengthen your nails, making them strong and resistant to breakage. Benefit 10. Suffering from dry skin? Grapeseed oil acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Benefit 11. For those with sensitive skin, rejoice. Grapeseed oil is gentle and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for all skin types. Benefit 12. Last but not least, grapeseed oil supports a healthy immune system due to its high vitamin C content. So there you have it, the 12 incredible health benefits of grapeseed oil. It's time to harness the power of nature and introduce this wonder oil into your life. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on natural remedies and healthy living. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of grapeseed oil.